Welcome to today's video. So this video you are watching right here was 100% generated using AI on Seedance 2.5 and it was completely free. There is no subscription required and you can generate unlimited image and you can generate very high quality videos completely free of charge every single day using this particular platform I'm about to reveal to you right now. Stick around because after watching this video there's going to be no need for you to use Grok. There's going to be no need for you to actually scratch yourself off because you want to subscribe any AI model. This video I'm going to be breaking every single step for you right here on this video, so do well to watch the video till the end and I'm going to be making sure I do not waste your time. Do not make the mistake of skipping this video because on this video you need to watch every single step for you to be able to understand, and most importantly I am running a giveaway on this particular video. So if you're watching the video right now, you actually stand a chance of earning up to $1. Just let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Make sure you are subscribed, share this video right now, that is very, very important. Share this video, like this video, and of course let me have your comments right there on the comment section because I'm going to be choosing the winners from the comment section, and also I'm going to be announcing the winners on our Telegram channel. Link to our Telegram channel is going to be on the video description box. So without talking too much, let's now dive in. Let me show you how you can be able to start generating high quality unlimited AI pictures and of course high quality AI videos. Alright guys, and welcome. So the first thing you want to do right here is to head over to your Play Store to download the secret app. Okay, so I will head over right now to my Play Store like this. Then I will just go ahead to the search bar to search for Dola AI. Okay, now once search for Dola AI, make sure you are installing this one. Okay, make sure you are installing it. After installing it, go ahead to open it up. Now once you open it up, they are going to be asking you to sign in. You can sign in using maybe your Facebook or your Google or your phone. Okay, these are the three options. Choose the one that is best for you. Okay, so right now guys, this is what I have done, and at this point I need you to pay a rapt attention because I'm going to be explaining how I was able to arrive at where I am right now, and also I'm going to be explaining the 3 ways to actually create video. Now I'm going to be practicalizing only one of them, and I'm going to be explaining the rest. And remember, like I said at the beginning of the video, you can create unlimited image on this particular AI model, and of course it is all very, very easy. Now this is what I did first. The first thing that I did right here is that I pasted my master prompt right here, asking it to generate a script for me. Not just that, but I asked it for every single detail required for that script. Now pay a good attention. Now after I pasted that my master script, it went ahead to give me the story, to give me the 20 seconds script, divided them according to the seconds, and of course when I scroll down a little bit you can see this is it scene by scene. So this is the first scene, the second scene, the third scene, and the fourth scene, and it went ahead to also give me the image prompt, which is the prompt that I can use to generate the image if I want to, or the prompt that can generate the image required. Now I scroll down a little bit right here and it is now giving me the scene one after the other. That is the text representation of what the scenes look like. This is the first scene, the second scene, the fourth scene. Now this is what I did. Pay good attention. After I pasted my master prompt and it gave me all this reply, this is what I did. I went down and I asked it for the picture of each of those scenes. So I asked for the picture of the first scene, which is this one that it gave me right here. It went ahead to give me the picture of the first scene right here. I only have to choose one. It will give you multiple options for you to choose the best. Okay, so I have to choose one. When you click on download, it will be downloaded to your device. So when I scroll down, I asked for the scene 2. It gave me scene 2, the same to scene 3 and scene 4. So this is the point where I am currently. Now I want to be showing you the first method to generate video right on this particular platform. So I will go to the first scene, which is what happened first, or according to the prompt that I gave it. So clicking on this, let me write here this one. Now let me show you the difference between how you can be able to generate these videos. Now scrolling down right here, this is the picture that I want to use for the first scene, and when you look over here at the top right corner, you will see make video. Now let's click on make video. Now immediately you click on make video, guys, they are going to be bringing you right here, but this is where the difference comes in. When you click on models right here, you will see that we only have Seedance 2.0 right here, and we also have Seedance 1.0. These are the two Dreminans. We have Seedance 2.5. That is the best one to actually use right here. So I'm not going to be using this one. I will go back right now. Okay, I will go back like this. Now this is the first scene right here. I've downloaded the picture already. This is what I need to do to be able to generate the video. I will go to the first scene. This is it. Let me find this right. This is the first. Okay, this is the prompt. Now this is the first thing that happened. This is scene 1 right here. Okay, this is scene 1. So I will just go ahead and click on, I will long press it. I will click on select text to copy. So this is what I'm going to be selecting right here, because this is what happened on the first scene. I will copy it right now. Once I've copied it, then look down right here. Okay, look down right here. You can see AI creation down here. Click on it. Okay, so over here guys, you need to select video. Okay, now that you have selected video, this is the difference I'm telling you about. Click on models. You can see we now have Gemini Seedance 2.5 instead of only 2.0 as the maximum. We now have 2.5. Now I will select the 2.5 right now. I will now select the image of reference. Now what do we mean by image of reference? Image of reference simply means the image where you like the image that you are referring to. If you already have an image, that is what you need to paste right here. That is the image you want those actions to be executed on. So I will click on reference image right now. I will select the first thing. This is this right here. I will select it. I will click on next. Now I need to paste the prompt of that first scene. I will click on this right here. Then I will click on you can see this ratio right here. This is where you select how the size of the video. I will leave it on 9.6. Then this is where you select the duration. We have only 10 seconds and 5 seconds. I will leave it on 10 seconds. Okay, I will click on this button right now to send it. Now they are going to be generating the image for me. Okay,
the video will be generated using the Dreaminess Seedance 2.5 model. It will use 4 points and be ready in 5 minutes. I'll send it to you when it's done.
Okay,
you still have 0 points left today.
Now they are trying to let you know that this video generation is probably going to be taking up to 5 minutes, and most of the time it won't even take up to 5 minutes. So you just have to be calm about it, be patient about it, and allow the video to be generated. So I'm going to be pausing the video right now, and I'm going to be playing it when the video is ready. And now guys, the video is ready. Okay, now you can see the video right here. Let me play it for you. Okay, when I click on it right now, you can hear the sound. Okay, so right now if you want to download it, if you want to be downloading the video, you simply click on save right here, and the video is going to be saved on your device. Now what do we need to do from here? What you need to do from here is to simply repeat the same process with the first scene picture, second scene picture, third scene picture, and fourth scene picture, after which you will use maybe CapCut to join the video together, and you have a complete video. Because of time, I will not be doing the whole thing right here on this particular video, but I believe with this little explanation you have been able to understand how you can be able to start generating a very high quality AI videos completely free of charge on Seedance 2.5. Okay, so right now, without wasting time, let me show you guys some other cool features right here. Now assuming that you want to be generating your own style of video, it mustn't be a cartoon just like this one. So let me show you how you do it. Now I will open a new chat for that. Okay, click here to open a new chat. Okay, now this is a new chat. You can see nothing is on this page. So what you need to do right now is simply head over here to AI creation. Okay, once you click on AI creation, it is going to be taking you to where you can be able to generate pictures or videos. Okay, this is what you need to do. Simply type in the type of image you want. For example, you can generate different style. Okay, now over here you have style right here. You can choose to make your image generate in any type, or you can see we have cartoon, illustration, impression, anyhow you want your image to look like, you can select it right here. And once you have gotten the type you want, you can simply generate the image, then come over here to video to generate your video completely free. Now coming back right here, you can see that the whole process is very simple. You can actually use this every single time to generate unlimited images, and for the video you might get a little limit on the video, but they are going to be asking you to continue tomorrow. But in case you don't want to be continue tomorrow, you can simply create a different account. This is going to be helping you to some reasonable extent. But I believe right now you have gotten a value out of this video. At least you have learned how you can be able to generate pictures, videos in different style, and of course you know what you need to do right now to be able to start generating video using model Seedance 2.5. all right, Dreamina Seedance 2.5. The whole process is very easy, as I've just explained right now, and trust me, this method works on all devices. All right, so I'm going to be stopping here right now. If you have any question about this, let me know on the comment section and I'll be there to answer you immediately.